Okay, next we have replace method. Okay, so here I will discuss two replace method. First one is a normal one, means a replace method, and another one is replace first. Okay, so let's see how we can use the two methods. Okay, so see this out. Okay, and then you have to specify your old character, or like suppose here I am working with str1. Okay, so suppose I want to replace this capital H, means this capital H I want to replace with a small h. Okay, so like here I can write old character, and then you have to specify the new character. Okay, okay, so now if we run it, then you can see, so now one new string has been created, and now that new string is hello with a in small letter. Okay, so now next we have like this out. Okay, one second, like you can think, I think this str1 I think get changed, right? But that is not true. One new string has created. Okay, like if you print this str1 now, then you can see that this str1 value has not changed. What value has changed is like here replace method will create another string, and that string will be this hello. Okay, like if you save this string in another variable, like suppose t. Okay, and then this way. Okay, actually I am working with Golang now, that's why sometimes I'm like use the Golang syntax. Okay, so yeah, like suppose I am using a string s. Okay, and then s equals to. Okay, or like and directly you can just write here this way. Okay, so okay, the thing is if you now here print this s, then you can see. Okay, okay, so now you can see that s value is now hello. Okay, and str1 value is still hello, and h is capital letter. Okay, it means that this replace method will create another string, and that string you are storing in that small s. Okay, I think this point is clear to you. So same way, if you see like str1 dot replace first. Okay, so like here I have this L two times, right? Multiple time I have this L. Okay, replace first method will replace only the first character. Like here it will only replace this first L. Okay, and it won't change anything for this second L. Okay, so like suppose here I am writing here okay, small l. Okay, but like I just want to replace this small l with like e. Okay, so now if you run it, then you can, the first small l has changed to small e. Okay, so yeah, replace first method is also useful in some scenarios, so you can use replace first method also. This method now, then you can see it will change all that small l. Okay, so yeah, that is also helpful in some cases, so you can use this method also. Okay, so this is replace first. Okay, so our next method is repeat method. Okay, so str1 dot repeat. Okay, and then count like 1. So if you run this code, then the same hello, and this repeat method will add that particular string, like here the particular string is str1. Okay, it will just add that particular string the number of the times you will specify here. Like here suppose you are specifying a 2. Okay, now if you run it, now you can see that hello string has added 2 times. Okay, like here you have specified 2, that's why 2 times hello has added. Okay, in your resultant string. Obviously this repeat method will give you particular string. Okay, and obviously you will store that value, and it won't change that str1 string. Okay, so yeah, this is repeat. We have last index of. Okay. Then str1 dot last index of and then you have to specify some string. Like here I'm specifying a L. Okay, one thing you know what I can do, I can store this value in another string. So now if you run this code, you will see last index of value is giving you 3. So why it is giving you 3? Let's see that. Basically here I am using the last index of method on this str1 string, right? So here what is the last index of this small l? 0, 1, 2, 3, right? That's why it is giving you 3. Okay, means it will give you the last index of that particular character. Okay, so like if you same, or if you use the same like a5, so now what will be the last index of small l? Let's calculate it. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I hope it will give me 8. Oh yeah, as expected we are getting 8. Okay, so I think last index of method is clear to you. Next method is split method. Okay, so this thing I will use to explain the split method. Okay, so basically split method, how you can use str, and you have to specify one regex. Like here I am specifying a comma. Okay, like storing this string in another string type array. Okay, arr. So like if you print this particular array, then you can see it will print all the values like hello, then planet, then art, then you, like with this space also. Okay, right? So basically it will split that particular string, and the split regex you are specifying, like here you are specifying comma, so it will like the split this, like it will just split each string. Okay, like hello, then planet, then art, then you, then art, then a, then create, then planet. Okay, even you can specify a space also. Okay, so if you now just run it, then you can see it will like now it will split this string, like first string will be this one. Okay, like here it will get one space, so now it will split one string up to this, and then it will again get here one another space, then again it will just give you this r and comma a, and then again it will get another space, so now only grade. Okay, and then again you will get another space, so now it will be only planet. Okay, basically split method, we split that particular string, and the split regex you are specifying. Okay, what it can be comma, and it can be colon, it can be any like in space, like here even I can specify here one colon, and then I can specify here colon. So now if you run it, then you can see it will only give you two string. Okay, first string will be this much, and then next string will be this much. Okay, means it will split that particular string, and the splitting factor means the regex thing. Okay, you will specify. Okay.